Nostalgia and Cricket Reviews. And today I'm going to do a pre-match Zoom call on the RCB versus Delhi Capitals match. This match is a very interesting match, and whoever wins this match will move on to the playoffs or qualify one. So, let's introduce ourselves. Rishabh, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. My name is Rishabh and I'm supporting RCB.
Soham?
Yeah, hello, I am Soham and I am supporting RCB too.
Dhruva?
Okay, so my name is Dhruva and I support RCB for life.
Ratvik?
Hi, my name is Ratvik and I am supporting DC. I'm the odd one of the group.
Well, DC are kind of hopeless since 3 of the people are supporting RCB, but I think DC is an amazing team. That's why I am supporting Delhi Capitals.
Let's go!
Okay, so let's start with the question. Ratvik, what do you think Delhi Capitals bowling lineup is? Do you think it's good or do you think it's bad since Amit Mishra isn't able to play?
Well, I still am confident in DC's bowling because they still have Kagiso Rabada, Aksar Patel, and Ravinsha Ashwin. So I'm still confident in these three, but otherwise I am not sure about how they might perform.
Okay, now this goes out to the RCB people. And I myself am supporting Delhi Capitals for this match. So, one thing, how do you think your team's gonna perform against Delhi Capitals? It's very tight in the points table and it is very intense too. So, how do you think your team's gonna perform?
I'm just gonna point this out. They are gonna have a tough match. Recently, RCB has lost 3 games in a row. Delhi has also lost quite some games, I think. I don't remember. But yeah, RCB has a pretty strong lineup. The middle order is really bad, but Chris Morris, awesome bowler, Yuvendra Chahal, and they got many good bowlers also. So I'm pretty confident in that team.
Well, how about you, Soham?
Okay, so I'm going to say one statement. It is in DC's favor. I'm not sure if it is, but Ratvik, you actually missed out on one bowler which can absolutely wreck anyone. Norja. This guy, he is a fantastic bowler. So Rabada, Norja, Ravichandran Ashwin and Akshar Patel, these guys can dominate no matter what. And about
Basically,
RCB,
most of the bowlers.
I am in full agreement.
it's
I have
Nokia.
no idea how I forgot him. He has gotten at least 1 or 2 wickets per game. Rabada isn't in consistent form, but Norgay is absolutely a beast.
Actually,
Norja is also a good fielder.
Okay. Dhruva, how about you? And let's just make this clear. It's pronounced Nokia.
Okay, so how I think RCB will be perform how I think RCB will perform today. Actually, I think just like now I've got an update. I think Gurkirat's not playing. I don't mean to be rude, but I think without him, our middle order would be slightly better.
Yeah.
He's not been playing. He's not been playing very well from the past since
true.
beginning. So I'm actually like a bit more relieved. But yeah, I think RCB will perform better this match.
One thing, I just want to point out that whenever RCB is batting first, they don't always make such a great.
Yeah. So,
But when DC are bowling first, they are really good because they can chase the score, but they just can't set the bar.
Yeah, but the thing is, Rabada is like one of the best top wicket takers. He's not in consistent form recently. He's not been playing from 2 weeks. He's not been playing well from past like 1 week. And he also hasn't got a wicket in SRH versus DC match, I think. It was actually the first game in 26 games he has not got taken a wicket. So I'm not sure Rabada will perform well this match. But yeah, it's still a very close match.
Very
But you
interesting.
can't expect.
And I mean, Dhruva. And let's move on to the next question. This Rutwik can also give an answer to. But how do you think RCB's total is going to be in the first innings, Rishabh?
Oh yeah, I think it's gonna be like since they usually get this much while batting first, like 163 or something. But hopefully they can get like which ground is it? Do you know which ground it is in?
Honestly, no.
If it's Sharjah, they might get like 180 something. If it's or maybe even 200 if they perform absolutely awesome.
No, actually, I don't agree with you because the Sharjah pitch, it's actually recently been very slow. None of the teams could play well, and
Yeah,
a string of low
It's in Abu
scores
Dhabi.
have been scored there recently.
It's in Abu
Okay,
Dhabi.
Guys,
Oh, it's in
I
Abu Dhabi.
saw.
Abu Dhabi is
Right,
gonna
so hum.
be 160, 170.
Okay, Soham,
Nice.
what about you?
I actually saw on like after the match yesterday, like after like there's like calendar stuff like where they would show the stadiums and all. So the finals actually gonna happen in Sharjah.
Yeah. What? No.
Big hits.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
no,
it's
that's,
gonna be-
that's not gonna be good. Because maybe they'll score. One team will score 100.
Soham, the finals are going to happen in
score even
Dubai.
less.
the
No,
finals.
I saw it yesterday. It's gonna happen in Sharjah.
No, it's in Dubai.
It's in
Arjun's going to the finals. He's actually buying tickets and going to the finals. So he's only
Wow.
Fingers crossed for that. Okay, Dhruva, how about you? What do you think the score would be?
I mean, like usually the most important part this game I'd say is the power play, because if they play very good in power play, then they can settle in the middle order and then like smash in the last death overs. That's because in the middle overs, their run rate has been about like about 6.81, which is not that good for any other team. Unlike other teams who are controlling their run rate in the middle order, that's what in the middle overs. That's what RCB should do every game they played to win the finals.
So, what do you think is your projected score?
My projected score is, it depends. If RCB go on a very good start, they might get about 180. And this ground is not too bad. The best ground this year has been Dubai. But like for this ground, I'd say they'll get about 160
Okay.
to 170.
Rutwik, now I know you're a Delhi Capitals supporter, but how much do you think Delhi Capitals can prevent Royal Challengers Bangalore from scoring a really big total? So, what's your projected score?
Well, personally, I feel they're going to project at, I think, 150. Not that much, because they have Kohli as one down, which is not that great. The thing
Yes,
is,
it is.
Kohli is good at test. He has stamina, so he doesn't hit that much, but he can take runs. So he's better at ODI or T20,
the one
ODI
that
or
told
Test
you that.
matches.
Okay,
Yeah, I told you that.
Anyways, but he can't. He's not. People can't get him out easily, which is
Yeah, that's true.
very good for DC, because then Kohli can't score runs, yet he won't get out. So it gives DC an advantage and can pull out on RCB runs.
When Kohli gets in form, he will hit. If he takes too many singles, he also doesn't like to take too many singles.
guys, let's
If he
move
gets in
on. Let's
form, he
move
will
on.
hit.
Okay, so what do you think are your team's weaknesses, Rishabh?
Let me just say, after they start to lose many wickets, they don't gain. They like go less in confidence and they hit very easily. Yeah, like after they lose like AB de Villiers, Kohli, and Devdutt Padikkal. I like to call him Devdutt Pad Cycle, but yeah. When they lose confidence, when they lose confidence, they're really slow.
Okay, Soham.
I think RCB's weaknesses, like if we lose, because look, lately De Villiers have been a lot on form, but Virat Kohli is like on and off. Like some matches he's scoring high, some matches he's getting out
Okay.
on very low amount of runs. So De Villiers is a consistent high scorer.
Dhruv?
Okay, so if I'd say I actually have 3 weaknesses which RCB have. One,
You can just say one.
okay, fine. Okay, Rishabh already said that. I'd say the middle overs and order, so it's not that good.
How about Ratvik? Last one.
I feel that DC are not. I feel DC's biggest weakness is that they put Prithvi Shaw on opening, and lately he has not been scoring well. Dhawan would be a good choice. Maybe Rahane would be a good choice, but Prithvi Shaw is not a good opener. He hasn't been scoring as much as he should.
So guys, I need you to make a decision upon this. You guys can discuss. But what do you think the top 4 will be at the end of the IPL?
Oh, the
I
exact
couldn't hear
same
you clearly.
question that you got asked in your news.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's
I couldn't hear the
DC?
question. Sorry.
Top 4.
wait, SRH is 4th, right?
Mumbai has already qualified. And then comes RCB and Delhi Capitals, and then is Kolkata Knight Riders, and then is SRH. Yes, okay. So
Tomorrow's SRH vs KKR, and in that case, I think
no,
SRH.
tomorrow is SRH versus Mumbai. Come on, Rishabh.
Oh, okay, then KKR. Yeah, KKR is going to be the 4th total.
Okay. Sohan, how about you?
I think since Mumbai is already qualified for first place, I think third place is going to be second place could be RCB, third place DC, and fourth place Kolkata or Sunrisers.
Okay.
Um, Okay, so I actually think the same as Rishabh Malkani.
Malpani.
Okay, so because like this match, even if RCB loses, they can still qualify, but they should not lose by a huge margin.
Okay.
So what I would say is
100.
MI, RCB, DC, and KKR, because MI is a very good team and they
Great. Ratvik, are you gonna choose Sunrisers or KKR?
Actually, I choose both. I think that Mumbai are gonna lose on purpose so they can get rid of hard competition.
Yeah, that's what my dad was also thinking.
Yes, because the thing is, DC and RCB, if you look at those two teams, they might be the only teams that can stand up to MI. They'll probably lose on purpose because they need to get rid of at least one of them. They can beat DC easily. They can beat RCB easily. So I have a feeling whoever loses today's match, they will not qualify, and the KKR, SRH, KKR. No, wait, sorry, I forgot. I feel SRH will make it, along with DC, RCB, and
Mumbai, yeah.
Maybe.
Okay. So
Chennai.
Chennai? Mumbai.
Sorry,
Mumbai,
MI.
chance. Okay, so let's say that both teams, best of luck, both teams, match is gonna start in 10 or so minutes. So let's catch up soon, guys. Maybe a post-match show. And
Okay.
like, subscribe, and share. And please watch my first video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 views, and it's right up there. So please watch it, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you all for being on my channel.
Okay.
Bye bye, people.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.